In this video, I will show you how to block a website on Google Chrome. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Once you are on Google Chrome, tap the three dots in the top right corner and scroll down to Extensions and select Visit Chrome Web Store. Once you are in the Chrome Web Store, you're going to type Block Site. Select the one that has a hand with a red background. You're going to add to Chrome and then select Add Extension. Once it has been added to your Chrome, you're going to select it and type the website you would like to block. So we are going to block facebook.com. Blocking enabled, you're going to select Yes. What to do when a site is blocked? You can either close the tab or show blocked info. So we are going to now go to facebook.com and we can see that our site is now blocked. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.